At CellGate, we're raising the bar for your success. The Dealer Certification Program was built to help you work smarter, not harder, so you can complete installs faster, reduce service calls, and grow your business with confidence. The program is designed with you in mind. It's easy to access, simple to follow, and completely online, so you can train anytime, anywhere. Modules walk you through the exact systems you use every day, including Watchman, OmniPoint, Entria, readers and credentials, and the CellGate portal. So your training connects directly to real-world jobs. Certification happens at the company level, and there are two focused tracks: technical and administrative track. For those managing the back-end, accounts, permissions, and configurations. Technical track, for the technicians in the field who bring our systems to life. Each certification lasts 3 years, keeping your team consistent, current, and confident. You'll complete short, interactive modules with built-in visuals, videos, diagrams, and quick knowledge checks. No long lectures, no guesswork. It's all inside the CellGate Dealer Certification Program portal, which remembers your progress, so you can pick up right where you left off. Here's what certification gives you: faster installations with fewer errors, direct recognition as a certified installing dealer, access to a priority technical support hotline and exclusive resources, marketing assets and CellGate swag to promote your certified status, and for platinum dealers, extended warranties and elevated partnership benefits. Here's what your journey looks like. Get started. Tell your CellGate sales rep you're ready to certify. Welcome call. Join a short session with our learning and development team to walk through setup. Train and certify. Complete your courses online at your own pace. Get recognized. Receive your certification badge, marketing assets, and access to dealer perks. Once certified, your team works faster, earns more trust, and spends less time troubleshooting. You'll see fewer callbacks, higher customer satisfaction, and stronger loyalty that fuels your business growth. You can even display your achievements with downloadable LinkedIn certificates. The program grows as you do. Certified Installing Dealer, your foundation for success. Gold adds admin and billing expertise. Platinum, for wholesale partners, with top-tier benefits and a 3-year warranty on newly installed CellGate products. It's easy to start, simple to complete, and built to help you succeed. Talk to your CellGate sales rep or visit cell-gate.com/dealer-certification today to enroll and get ready to take your business to the next level.